Hey everyone! Today I'll show you two quick Google Docs tips. How to insert and work with Google Doc images and how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. Let's get started. First, let's work with Google Docs images. Click Insert, then Image to add a picture from your computer, drive, or the web. Once the image is in your document, click it to resize, crop, or move it around. You can also change how text wraps by selecting Inline, Wrap Text, or break text from the image toolbar. This helps you place pictures exactly how you want with text beside them. Now let's see how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. Go to your Google Drive, click New, then File Upload, and select your Word file .doc or .docs. Google Docs will automatically convert the Word file into an editable Google Doc. You can now edit, share, or download it again as Word or PDF. And that's it. Now you know key tips for Google Docs images and how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. Like, subscribe, and tell me what Google Docs tip you want next.